Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ether to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. Let me just zoom in for you to see what is going on the chart, and it's obvious thing that 4,000 Tethers level has been hit just recently, which is why we are going to place it on the chart. Let's say this is the level we are trading above. This level already the all-time high was made roughly around 4,085 Tethers. So the uptrend continues just as expected. If we add the RSI indicator, RSI is showing us the extremely overbought market conditions, so we should assume that the bulls are in charge of this market. The bulls are continuing the uptrend, and the next target for the bulls is located at the level of 5,000 Tethers. It's a psychological level, round number that will act as a magnet to the market participants. Let's just zoom out to see where is the next technical level, so so you can see the situation more clearly. We can move our black line to the all-time high 4,873. This all-time high will be tested very soon, and then the next target will be 5,000 Tethers. It looks like our the slope of this movement to the upside is very high. It's almost like a 70 degrees or something like this. So the dynamics of the movement is very sharp, very aggressive. This is why we should expect sudden movements to the upside. And then, of course, when all-time high from the 2021 is tested, we should see the market reaction on this level. So that's the outlook for the Ether. Let's just take a look where are the potential technical supports. So we should place our moving average let's say 100 and 200 periods moving average. As you can see, the fast ones 9 and 26 works very well. Market is bouncing either from the red trend line, moving average, or from the green moving average. So the this one's works very well. Now let's just switch to the larger time frame moving averages, and we can see straight on that the market is way above this two moving averages. Technical levels of support are located at 3,744. Yeah, that's the technical support, at the first technical support. The other one is of course located a little bit lower at the level of after this spike, which is 3,002 Tethers. So even this level is still way above the moving averages. And the outlook, even if we hit this level, the outlook will still remain bullish, because generally that kind of a correction is something typical during the up moves. What is interesting on this chart is of course the pin bar that we all see. So the pin bar for the downside movement of 3,000 Tethers. Then we have the green bar, and then of course we got some kind of a upswing, another breakout to the upside, and then this is some kind of a piercing pattern here. Red candle almost covers all of the body of the green candle. So there is some supply coming to the markets. Nevertheless, please notice the fact that all of these down weeks are very big, and that means that all of the dips are being bought back up. So even yesterday all of the dips were bought back up. We're just waiting for another swing high today above 4,085 Tethers. So we should get it today, maybe just a little bit later on the day. There you go. The levels are marked on the chart. all-time high and the next target 5,000. So it doesn't look like the uptrend is going to stop or terminate. Nothing changes here. The uptrend is being continued. There is no clues, no indication of the uptrend to be completed or terminated. More upside to be seen soon on the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.